if you're experiencing login errors on Discord, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow this guide to get back into your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause login issues. Try resetting your router or switching to a different network if possible. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check your username and password for any typos. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Your Password link on the login page to reset it. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes corrupted cache or cookies can lead to login problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or, if using the app, try reinstalling it to refresh the data. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily. These services can interfere with Discord's connection and cause login errors. Step 5. Check Discord server status. Visit Discord's status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online before you can log in. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login errors on Discord. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Discord support for further assistance.